What's up everyone, we're back with another RV upgrade, and this is one of the best and cheapest you can do for the best bang for your buck. I'm speaking of course of the faucet. We're going to be upgrading this bathroom faucet. As you can see, these are really just not very good. First thing to do though is turn off your water at the pump or the spigot and then release all the pressure at the sink you're working at. Next, grab a towel, place it in the area where you're going to be working, as it will still have a little bit of water. Next, we're just gonna remove the water connections on each side. I can't really see up in there, so we're just gonna have to do it by feel. Next, remove the little backer nuts that are on the faucet. They look like this. Again, can't really show you because you can't see up there. I'll have to do it by feel again. After that, the faucet should pop right off. We're gonna go ahead and clean this up real quick. All right, now that that's clean, we're gonna drop the new one in, just like so. You can choose whatever faucet you like. I just chose this one as I was able to get a good deal on it. I only spent about 40 bucks, which is a great deal. Now put your little backer nuts on the back. It should feel nice and snug. Good. And now we just screw the water lines back on nice and tight. Not too tight, they don't have to be super tight, but tight enough that you can't tighten more with your hands. Once everything's tight, go ahead and repressurize the water. I'm running on the pump right now. And check for leaks up at your connections down there. Which that's the most important part. Honestly, if there's no leaks, you're good to go. Haha, so much better. No more squeaky faucet, no more knobs. I'm super happy with this. This is super quick, super easy to do. Doesn't take very long. Great benefits every day. You use this all the time, so my favorite kind of upgrade. Let me know what you think in the comments. Make sure to follow along for more.